Hello everyone, this is Meenu Akhtar and today I am going to continue the chapter correlations. So we make the numericals regarding this chapter. First of all, I would like to explain what are the procedure or steps related to this chapter. Correlation. First of all, you all see the sign of correlation which is R, written like this. Now the formula, we have to find the mean summation x by n, mean y summation y by n. Here is the formula R, summation xy by root summation x square into summation y square. Now mean are integers, deviation are taken from actual means. To calculate this, we have to follow the following steps. First of all, we have to find total number in series, means n. Next, arithmetic mean of both x and y series is calculated by these formulas. Okay. Now the third step is deviation of both series, mean x and mean y is calculated by x minus mean x, y minus mean y is calculated. Next step is division are squared and added to find out summation x square and summation y square. After calculating all these steps, we have to put the formula correlation is equal to summation xy by root summation x square into summation y square. Now we take an example to clear these steps. Now this is the question. This is the two series x and y. X is given in this digits and y is giving this digit. I have put the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to draw the 8 columns. Write the question x and y in the second column and in the fifth column. X is equal to what given here 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 as usual. Okay. In y series you write this. Okay, number. Now you give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The total number is equal to 7. We write here 7. We have to first find the mean as usual. Mean is equal to summation x by n. We have to add all these like as summation 56. Okay. Now we put into the formula. What come as 8. Okay. Now we take out find the mean of this series. When we add this series, we got 77. Okay. Then here we find y, mean. Summation y is equal to n. 77 by 7. What comes? 11. Got it? Now we find the deviation. Okay. Now what we find the deviation. From this we get the x. (11 minus 8). 11 minus 8. Then what we get? 3. 10 minus 8 we get 2. 9 minus 8 we get 1. 8 minus 8 0. 7 minus 8 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 3. Got it? Now we square. Make the square of x. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 1 0 minus 1 minus 4 minus 9. Got it? When minus 1 into multiply with the minus 1, then it got the 1. Minus sign will be erased. We have to total it. Okay? We have to total it. Then we get the summation x square is equal to 28. Same process is continue here. We have to make the division. What's the mean is 11. Okay? Then 20 minus 11 comes 9. 18 minus 11 comes 7. 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Okay? Now we make the squares. 9 9s are 81. 7 7s are 49. 1 3 3s are 9. 1 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. Okay? Now we make the total, then we get summation y square is equal to 226. Got it? Now we have to find x into y. Okay? X into y. This column into this column. X into y. This column into this column. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 14. 1. 0. 1. 12. 11. Then we get summation xy is equal to 76. Okay? Now we put the formula of rank correlation. I have to erase it. Okay? I have to erase it. Summation x square into summation y square. Rank correlation is equal to summation xy by root summation x square into summation y square. So then summation xy is equal to 76. Okay? By root summation x square. What is summation x square? 28. Summation y square 226. Okay? When we multiply this, we get 6328 root of. Okay? 76. When we break the root, we will get the 79.55. Answer come. When you divide this, then you get this is the answer which comes into the positive correlation 0.955. Okay? You got it? I have not explained the root over because every student knows how to calculate the root. Okay? If you have any problem regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box or our in personal groups which we have had. Okay? Now in next video I will share you the another method of correlation. Till then, bye. Thank you.